Not only the Bayraktar TB2 and Bayraktar Akinsi attack surveillance drones, Turkey's Baykar Technologies is also planning to manufacture the Bayraktar Kizilelma jet drone in Ukraine. Recently the company Baykar Technologies set up a company in Ukraine to manufacture the Bayraktar TB2 attack drone with Ukrainian engines and parts. The head of the company Haluk Bayraktar in an interview with Taras Chmut, director of Come Back Alive Foundation, said that his company will also produce Bayraktar Akinsi and Kizilelma, as reported by the Gadget website. About the Kizilelma, Red Apple, is the first jet engine stealth unmanned aerial combat vehicle designed and developed by Baykar Technologies. The UCAV with a maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, of 6,000 kilograms will get a Ukrainian AI-322F turbofan engine, which can run it up to a maximum speed of 800 to 900 km per hour. Its flight altitude is predicted to be up to 12,000 meters, with a combat range of up to 930 kilometers or an endurance of about 5 hours. Its weapons payload capacity reaches 1,500 kilograms. Various weapons such as smart bombs and air-to-surface missiles can be stored in its stomach. Apart from operating from land runways, there will be a warship-based version of the Kizilelma, Turkey's main landing craft TCG Anadolu, still under construction. Kizilelma's first flight is scheduled to take place in 2023.